Alright, what's up guys? It's a different day now, and if you saw yesterday, we was cleaning Aaron's type S stocks, you know what I'm saying? We're over at Nico's house trying to put on his exhaust, but we're kind of too weak to take it off the cat, so we need Aaron's help. And also, Nico got new wheels. Not new, new for him. You ready? Are you ready, big boys? Check it out. Sheesh. That was hella good. Guys, you just saw the wheels, so let's go into the garage and try to break this cat off, bruh.
You know, there's a better exhaust for you.
What the fuck?
I'm the better exhaust. I'm exhaust 2.0. Expect D 2.0.
Man, finally after all this time of trying, Aaron comes and he breaks it off. Man, what a weak guy, Aaron. We're gonna get it off and then we'll get you a sound clip, bro. It's taking too long. I ain't no exhaust for this hard, man.
2 hours later.
Out with the old,
Someone take a video so I can.
in with the new. Now we're gonna start with the open header.
Open header.
Open header. Come on, come on, come on.
Yep. Okay, time to turn it off.
I turn it off.
Yeah, but I don't want to get all.
Sheesh. That shit's hella loud, bro. Exhaust is on. Damn, son.
Where's the bolt go?
Damn.
What?
It's purple. I missed the Civic, bro.
Damn, bro. GG's.
Oh, I don't gotta crash it.
Shit, I don't even know.
That's hurt, bro. That's hurt. That's hurt.
What is up, everybody? It's your boy AronRSX. In today's video, we are going to be installing the Thermostat by Mishimoto. It's called the Racing Thermostat. Here it is right here. It is a Racing Thermostat by Mishimoto. And we are out here with the homies. We got Sebastian here. We got Christian in the back. We got Dustin's car right now. We got Dylan's car over there. And we got Goose's car right here. The twins are right here right now. They are doing something else, but they're gonna come back later in the vlog. But yeah.
Show them the fitting real quick.
Let me see, let me see.
I know the vibe, you know what I'm saying? Pirates. And, you know, gotta rep the Pinoy Club, you know what I'm saying? Fucking idiot, fuck you, motherfucker.
I haven't opened it yet. Seems like it's been opened. Let's see. Give me a minute. Sticker though. Here it is right here. Okay, okay. Should just be 3 screws on the RSX. One right here, one right here, one right here. The triangle. And yeah, it should be a quick and easy install. Let's see if it makes a difference. If it fixes my overheating.
Then I go suck his dick, you know what I'm saying?
Right now.
Oh my God! Why the fuck would you park there? I need to go soon. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, leave.
Nice. Hey. Hey. Hey.
You know what time it is, baby?
Bro, we go get fucking banned because of his nipples.
Yeah.
For real.
Fucking showing, bro. I want to lick him. Yeah. I want to eat that shit.
Oh my god, are those really nipples?
Look, mine.
Mommy, Milky?
You need to lower your M3.
What we got over here, Sebastian?
I'm working on the amplifier for my speakers because both of them keep cutting in and out. But this side works so far.
DIY, bro. DIY.
DIY,
Tell
man.
them what you did. Tell them what you did.
Alright, so basically I wrapped a piece of paper around inside the amplifier to close it in place, so that way the relay inside there can stay safe and stay put, so that way you can play music. Because this relay is the same as a 350Z. They have the same speakers, so I saw a DIY on YouTube on how to do it.
Nice. Good shit.
What a fucking scientist, bruh. He knows everything, bruh.
Let him talk.
Yeah, let him talk. I can never win no shit
Dr.
around him,
Einstein.
man.
Yeah. You're gonna knock out the other side, man.
Look, you know how new it is? It's already dirty.
Look, it even still says large.
Because I am pretty large. I'm big.
Fat bitch.
Hey,
Friendly
fuck up.
fire activated.
Oh my god!
they have some where the harness, you can still use the same harness.
What you gotta drink? You got water?
Yeah.
I'm thirsty. Bro,
I'm sorry, you just look so thick.
What the fuck? He thinks he's a large? Hell no.
Yeah, you're right. I'm an extra large nigga. Ah. Small ass people.
What? So Christian, how you liking the cola so far?
Right quality shit, bro. Never buy Racelands. Hey, it's clean though.
Oh, you're right. All right, before there's a little one finger gap, but now none. You can't fit nothing, man.
Yeah, cause there's no gap, cause I don't get no bitches no more. Makes me miss her.
Wow. These are the new banner. It's all black, but it's all slick.
I'm black.
What do you say?
He said he's black.
What?
Technically, Filipinos are black, according to my calculations.
where's Dylan and Dustin?
They went.
Whose car they take? The car they're both here.
Dustin's girl.
Where'd they go?
It's Dustin's girl,
Did they
right?
go buy snacks?
Like Half Moon? Because he's from Half Moon Bay. Cringy ass
Did they go buy
motherfucker.
snacks?
Alright, come on, put it on.
You got checked?
Yeah.
Then how you buy it?
Check?
Yeah, ID check.
By who?
Where's my banner?
That come on your fucking armpit?
Yeah.
I wanna lick it off.
Bro, it's stretch marks.
Yeah, stretch marks too? I thought it was only for
No,
fat
right
people.
here, dummy.
So,
Oh, what the fuck?
Sergio, pull more to your side.
Down more.
Sergio, pull more to your side. More. Wait. That looks good.
Lucy, you get the
a little bit
second
lower on your side there. Just a little bit. Slap it right now.
Do I slap it?
Slap it.
and this is how my buddy here joined Economy Bros with a black logo.
What if I flash it though?
Wow. Let me see it flashed. Ooh, cut. Ooh, cut.
Motherfucker, that
That's
shit
clean.
hurt.
That's clean.
I was like, who was that?
That is clean.
Who's got the other one?
Nice. I do.
We should just go steal.
Nice. That's clean.
That's pretty wet, bro.
That's nice. It matches.
Yeah.
Very nice.
It looks very rad. That is rad. Rad material.
Some white people shit, bro. Rad, dude. Hey. Oh my god, it's so rad. Like,
Bro,
dude,
You wouldn't
that is
understand.
so rad.
you wouldn't understand. You're not in a rad group.
Whitewashed ass motherfucker.
What we got over here?
What is that?
It's a rotary, so it has a rotary oil cap. Did you know that?
Smart thinking.
And then this right here, this is ABS. Did you know that?
What is that?
It's so you don't crash.
I want to crash though.
Oh.
Let me take it out real quick.
Yeah, to lose your restraining order?
Shut the fuck up. Hey, nobody's gonna know this because it's between us.
No, it's on the vlog now. Hey, I got a restraining order, guys. Watch out for that guy.
It's not what it looks like, guys. Look, when you love someone, nah.
You love her?
You love her?
Still got her picture?
Nah, I don't. Hey, please delete that.
Hey, you want to give me some?
That's just fuck. Look.
Fuck you.
Hey, y'all need to dig your finger in there because, yeah, cocaine pinky. No, because he wants it, bro.
Let me put on my tongue and then put on his lips.
Aaron.
Yeah!
Hold off.
No.
What?
Dude, your girl's right there.
Nice. Nice.
This is gonna be your ball.
Alright y'all, so we found the overheating problem. This is the old one, and as you can probably tell, something is missing. This is the new one, and you guys can probably tell already. The spring is gone. I don't know how.
Cause you're too fast.
I really don't know how. It just disappeared, but
Hey, how fucked up is fucked up?
How fucked up is fucked up? This is fucked up. But we're gonna put the Mishimoto on, and if you guys need help taking the old ones off, if you guys have Honda hands like me, just stick your hand underneath the manifold, and the 2 top bolts are in there, and then you can get the bottom one on the bottom. So that'll be it. So I'll hit you guys up when we put this one on.
On to the montage.
Late at night, kiss me in the morning or late at night. Long as you come through, I'ma make you come over and over. I'ma treat you like I'm supposed to. You better never make no time for these niggas, cause when I ride, I'ma ride with you. I can't fucking with nobody, I can't keep living like this, I can't. I tell her what it is and I tell her what it ain't. She know that I've been all on the walls like I paint. Told her at times I wanna give you trust, but I can't.
These two are your friends when you guys are doing the thermostat and this as well to take off the hose. But finally did it. I did a pretty tight fit, so it should be good now. Out of 10 difficulty, I probably rated 3, 2, 3. It's just tight spaces. If you guys don't have small hands like me or small arms, it's gonna be hard for you. Good luck. Yeah, right now we're gonna do we're gonna put all the coolant back in and all that other stuff, and hopefully the car is done and should stop overheating on me when I'm driving. So let's do this. Okay, so right now we are taking out all the air pockets and air bubbles out the system of the radiator. We're putting distilled water into the radiator and basically letting all the air pockets come out. And
then next thing, gonna give me roadhead.
We're actually going to be putting in the coolant, and hopefully the car is good. All signs are looking good. There's no overheating right now. And yeah, we'll update you guys when we do something.
Bitch.
Oh, what?
Did you say what I think you
Christian, when are you leaving?
Hey.
said? Off the lights, Christian.
What's up, girl?
Now we're just waiting for the car to cool down so we can put the coolant in.
I've been waiting a whole hour,
I know, bro. It's bad. Kiss me real quick. Give me a kiss. Y'all didn't see that.
What the fuck?
Ishmael, come give me one too.
Okay.
You ain't seen nothing.
You ain't seen nothing, girl.
Put the window down a little bit.
We can't.
Over here.
Oh my god. Fucking faggot, bro. What the fuck is y'all niggas?
What did you just say to me?
You fucking faggot.
Oh,
What?
yo, y'all see this? Yeah.
So what if I'm gay?
Hey, what would y'all do for $5?
So what if I like dick in my ass?
So what?
Fuck, it's 2021, bro.
Stop judging, bro.
How much for hand job, dog?
You take card?
You'll take card?
Yeah, Venmo.
Venmo?
Me.
Hey, what's your Venmo card?
Big Dick Christian.
Oh, wow.
Wow, that's a good name.
Well, from the print, it don't look that big.
Oh yeah?
He's
Let me get my shit hard real quick.
Let me see.
I ain't a shower.
Let me see. You're not even about it. Let me see. You're not even about it, bro.
Let me get my shit hard. Hey, show me a fat booty bitch, bro. Put the boxers down.
What am I watching, bro? I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's all over the place, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. If you guys did, please hit the like button, comment down below what y'all think. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog. This is AronRSX signing out. Peace.